Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix where winds meet crashing, black screen, or not launching issues on a Windows PC. First, make sure your graphics drivers are fully up to date. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA app, go to the driver section, and install the latest available update. If you are using an AMD graphics card, open AMD Software Adrenaline, check for updates, and install the newest driver. After updating, restart your PC to apply the changes properly. Next, verify the game files in Steam. Corrupted or missing game files can stop the game from launching correctly. Open Steam and go to your library. Find where winds meet in the list, right-click on it, and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game and automatically re-download any damaged or missing files. Wait for the process to finish before launching the game again. Now, turn off overlays that may interfere with the game. Start by disabling the Discord overlay. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then open the Game Overlay section and turn off Enable In-Game Overlay. Close Discord completely after doing this. If you are using NVIDIA GeForce Experience, open it and go to Settings. Under the General tab, turn off In-Game Overlay. This overlay can sometimes cause startup crashes or black screen issues in certain games. After completing all these steps, restart your system once more, then launch Where Winds Meet again. Thanks for watching.